You've been there, girl. It's time to show the world. You've been it. Time to pop your Hey y'all, it's your girl Lexx the Gemini, and it's episode 3 of Lexx the Artist. And today's episode, we're going to go through me painting this sketch that I'm currently doing. And I got these oil paints for $5. Yes, $5 from Michael's. And I really enjoyed using this oil paint. This is my first time actively using them. I've done oil pastel sticks before. Didn't really like the outcome of that because I didn't use good quality oil sticks. But today, these are a level 1 oil paint set. I got a 36 piece set from Michael's for $5. And what's crazy is I initially thought it was going to be $10 when I saw it marked down. And when I went up there to check the price, he said $5. I said, bet, let's get it. So now I'm just going through sketching the rest of this canvas so I can go into the time lapse of me painting. This was a really good project. I'm proud of the outcome of how it came out. And so, yeah, y'all continue to watch. very dry, but this is the finished product. I love the oil paint because, like, just look at the texture. Like, look at the hair. I love, 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 love this. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Always remember, you've been her, you've been him. I love y'all and ain't nothing you can do about it.